Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing in and verifying your Zoho account so everything links to one organization. Create or pick a workspace immediately and set visibility, public for open teams or private for restricted groups, because that controls access. Next, invite users or import a CSV so people appear in the directory. Assign admins, members, or guests now to avoid permission issues later. Once done, make sure basic roles are clear so your next steps, channels and apps, apply cleanly to the right people. Now you set up the structure. Create channels for teams, projects, or cross-functional topics so conversations stay organized. Add a custom app or use Connect modules, feed documents, tasks, polls to centralize work. You want tasks linked to posts and files attached where people expect them. Configure templates and forms for consistent input, then add simple automation rules that assign tasks or notify people when conditions are met. As you work, preview the flow so nothing breaks when the whole team starts using it. Finish by tightening permissions and creating approval flows so content and tasks move correctly. Upload a short onboarding guide inside the workspace so newcomers start fast. Connect external integrations, Drive, Mail, Calendar, and enable mobile push notifications to keep everyone synchronized. Test workflows end-to-end with a sample post-to-task cycle and a file upload to confirm integrations. If things go wrong, check role permissions first and clear browser cache, or re-invite the affected user.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.